Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making chicken zucchini roll-ups where I've taken slices of zucchini and stuffed them with flavored chicken and some cheese. It's a great appetizer, a party starter recipe you can say, and very easy and quick recipe. To know the recipe, keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. So guys, for our zucchini roll-ups, let's move on to the ingredients. I have kept them aside. You can see I've taken chicken, minced chicken. Then I have mozzarella cheese, salt, red chili powder, chopped garlic, spring onion chopped, black pepper powder, Italian seasoning, we have tomato paste, olive oil, chopped onion and a zucchini. I'm taking the zucchini and slicing up like this, you can see, into thin strips. I have already sliced the whole zucchini. Now take a pan, put some oil. When the oil is heated up, let's add the minced chicken. Minced chicken cooks really fast. So let's saute it for a while. Adding some salt. Don't add too much of salt as the seasoning also has salt and mozzarella cheese has salt, so be careful with the amount of salt that you add to the chicken. Give it a mix. Now I'm adding chopped onions. Stir fry it for a while. Mix everything up nicely. Now adding the chopped garlic, black pepper powder, Italian seasoning. It has rosemary, thyme, rock salt, oregano, etc. Give it a good mix. Adding the tomato paste. Now add some spring onion. Saute it for 30 seconds, then turn off the flame. Now add some salt to the zucchini on both of the sides. Then we are going to put the chicken stuffing on the zucchini and roll it out. We'll also add some mozzarella cheese to the stuffing like this, you can see. Roll it up and then secure it with a toothpick. Like this, you secure it with a toothpick. And I have already prepared all the roll-ups. We are going to bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. I have already baked them, you can see. Now we'll add some mozzarella cheese and again we'll bake it for 8 minutes at 205 degrees Celsius. Now you can see I have already served my zucchini roll-ups. It's ready, looking really pretty, beautiful colors. You can serve it to your guests as a party starter. It's a great appetizer and it's a hit with kids. I hope you liked the recipe. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment in the comment section. See you guys later.